Welcome to Tekidia Institute. I'm DBC Ikekwe. I'm going to use Igbo mythology to explain the constructs of regenerative revenue in business. In Igbo mythology, if you dream in the night that you have gone to fetch firewood, it is considered to be a bad dream because the road to the firewood is not always a very good road. In the Igbo mythology, yam is a king of all crops. Go to the yam, you plant the yam, you then harvest the yam, and after you have harvested that yam, what is left behind is nothing but a waste of firewood before the next fallow period comes. But of course, farmers, villagers will always go to harvest the firewood from the farm. But after a period of time, when all the firewood must have been exhausted, the road to that farm is left bare. And that means over a period of time, that road is covered by weed. Nobody can really go there until the next farming season when the fallow period returns. That means that the road to the firewood collection is never always there because after a period of time, weeds will take over. But if you dream of going to fetch water in a stream, it is considered a good omen because the road to the stream is never covered by weed. In seasons out of seasons, people will always go to the stream to fetch water. And because they keep going and keep going and keep going to fetch water, what happens is that the road to the stream is never covered by weed. If you take that construct into entrepreneurial capitalism, you're looking at business models that make it possible that you can actually build companies that will keep giving you revenue in seasons out of season. We're calling it regenerative revenue. Revenue systems that do not just stop. Think of it. Nokia will sell you a phone. Once you pay Nokia for that phone, you never ever have to send money to Nokia again. You go on home with your phone, and then that feature phone, you use it as you want. You think of the Apple iPhone, you buy the hardware. And you also, over time, will need to go to the App Store and you need to buy apps. That means besides the hardware, besides the iPhone as a physical element, the services that Apple will provide, you keep paying Apple. We say that the iPhone has a regenerative revenue capability, while the Nokia one does not. In the 21st century, the best businesses that we have in the world, they are built on that construct of regenerative revenue. Look at the business model of Tesla. There are subscription services associated with Tesla car. When you buy a Tesla car, there is that propensity that you keep paying Tesla, provided that car is still on the road. Unlike when you buy your Honda, your Toyota, it's there and carry. You never have to send money, especially when you have finished paying for the car. You know, the greatest thing that can happen in a business is coming up with the best business model. And when you look at this Igbo mythology of fetching firewood and fetching water, you can see the differences great business models can actually bring within the whole construct of entrepreneurial capitalism. Come up with a business model that can actually unlock great value for your business. And you will see how you will compound value and you can deliver alpha. The Tekidia Institute brief from DBC. Okay.